Check out what we have today. Look at the amazing color combination on this 1968 Camaro Pro Touring. It's got a Pro-charged LS motor under the hood. It's got a 6-speed. It's got a posi. This thing is cool. And I'm telling you, the colors, you already know by seeing it yourself, are amazing. Everyone's talking about it. I showed pictures before the car was even delivered here, asking everyone, what do you think of this? And everyone loves it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can take your time and look at over 100 pictures, read the description. And that's where you'll find the price tag on all of our cars for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I almost color coordinated again today. Blue pants, red shirt. Anyway, underneath the car, it's lower. It's got that nice stance. It has lowering springs all the way around, front and back. It has Bilstein gas shocks all the way around. It has drilled and slotted disc brakes up front. It's got a mandrel bent dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers and a crossover pipe. Goes all the way out towards the back. You'll hear it run towards the end. This thing sounds amazing, and the whine of the supercharger is really cool. E-brake is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, and it's an all-aluminum motor. It does have a custom Holley oil pan on the bottom, high-torque starter. That's a 6-speed Magnum transmission that's in there, and it has a hydraulic clutch. It has a 373 posi gear in the rear end. Fuel system was replaced. It's set up for the newer fuel-injected motor. Floors are nice, clean metal. They were painted gloss black. So underneath is real nice, not detailed. This is a car you get out and drive. I mean, underneath is really good. Again, glossy floors. A lot of components were replaced. It's not a car you're going to slide mirrors under and trailer it to a show. The body is just amazing. The paint looks like one of those you could just dive right in. The reflection is so deep. We have a metal cowl induction hood. These gaps are spot on, absolutely straight. I don't see a ripple. Fits square and flush. No issues with this body at all. Smooth, absolutely laser beam straight. Nice and clean. There's no emblems on the side. And the gaps line up all the way to the bottom, absolutely smooth. There are some chips in the paint, probably from maybe the seat belt hanging out when they close the door. But this is absolutely straight, no damage, no issues. This is all incredible. Carbon fiber spoiler, real carbon fiber, not a sticker, but real carbon fiber. Absolutely straight, fits precisely. Now we do have an issue right here. There are some bubbles, some bumps in the paint right in this area here. And that's the only spot on the car. Usually you see them down low, you don't see them up high. So that is there. Other than that, this is all pristine. And once I seen that, I looked extra close for any other bubbles. There are none that I found anywhere. It's all precise fit. No bumps, no bubbles. Here's a little chip in the paint. And there's a scratch right up on top here. My suggestion would be have this fixed and then take the touch-up paint that they make and touch up the couple of nicks. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's just a deep, dark metallic blue, my favorite color. The white stripe is put on nicely. So all the trim, the emblems, the bumper, all the stainless. This is all brand new, shiny, straight. New windshield, brand new vinyl top, new marker lights, door handles. Jambs are painted real nice. All the weather strips and window seals were replaced. They are 18-inch, 99% sure. Yeah, 18-inch American racing wheels with Continental performance tires. A little fatter tire in the back to add to that muscle car stance. And some original glass in back. There are scratches in the glass. Taillights, bumper and back are new. So You've seen the beautiful outside. Let me show you what beautiful inside looks like. All right, let's see what's in the trunk. So under the trunk lid and the jamb is painted slick, new weather strip. The trunk compartment's all clean metal, been spatter painted. Tail light housings look new. God, I love this color. Both my favorite color. I love red interiors. I love this blue exterior. All right, door jambs painted slick. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are replaced. Now the interior is professionally done. That is a new door panel, armrest pads. The seats feel like they have new cushions. All the upholstery fits real nice. New dash pad. We've got custom gauges. So electronic analog gauges, has just under 2,000 miles on this since it's been put together. Vintage air, so they're electric slides, not old cables. Has a retro stereo. There's speakers in the back, speakers in the kick panel. New carpet, even the carpet fits real nice. Got the Hurst 6-speed shifter. Originally must have been a shifter on the column. It still has the nub here from the shifter. But again, the seats upholstered real nice. Now what we have here is 3-point shoulder belts, retractable shoulder belts. And interestingly enough, they put them in the back for the rear passengers too. So all 4 people get retractable belts. But again, the side panels, seats, all fit beautifully. The headliner is replaced. The dome light works. Really a very, very nice interior. So we've got an all aluminum LS motor. It was rebuilt to handle a supercharger. We were told it has a Texas speed cam and lifters and spring package. It is a ProCharger D1SC. It's got a big pulley on it, so it's putting about 10 pounds of boost. You can put a smaller pulley and that would increase the boost. So you have a real performance car here, but it's not radical. It's something you can certainly drive. And it is intercooled, so that would be up front here, and you can barely see it behind the grill. And you got a big aluminum radiator with an electric fan. You got modern power steering, modern alternator, serpentine belt, power brake system, upgraded Newport Engineering electric wiper system. It's got an Optima battery. It's got working horns. I forgot to mention the headlights open and close with Detroit Speed electric conversion kit. Oh yeah, this baby sounds good. Sounds good at both ends. A nice lumpy sound out the tailpipe and the supercharger whistle under the hood. Headlight doors should be opening, I hope. Closing. So there you have it. I think this car is amazing. We all like Camaros and Chevelles, so you do see a lot of them. This one's going to stand out, though. There's not another one that's going to look like this car. And aside from its good looks, that supercharged LS motor with that 6-speed, you're going to have a barrel of fun cruising around them curvy roads and shifting and downshifting. And go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it, because there won't be another one of these coming through here. The salesman will help answer questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll help deliver it if you're at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you are notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.